God, it's a beautiful day to be alive. So last week I ordered a lot of things from Amazon Pantry, and it was the first time that I ordered groceries on Amazon Pantry. I have been ordering groceries on Amazon since a long time, but I never availed their pantry wala service. And then I saw they had some offer from 5th to 7th of the month where you get 10% instant discount on your credit card. Also, there were some amazing discounts on the individual items, so I ordered them. In total, I got some 900 to 1000 rupees of discount, which is nice. We don't usually get such kind of discount when we go for offline shopping. Plus, with the current situation, I don't like to visit the market as often as before, so I thought let me try shopping things online. And my order arrived in 2 to 3 days, and I kept the boxes untouched for 4 to 5 days. Now, like you can see, there are these two huge boxes. These are quite heavy, and it was very difficult for us to get it from the security guard of our society into our room. Now let's just unbox these two boxes together. So after opening the first box, first thing which comes out are these papers. I'm happy that Amazon is using less plastic packaging these days. So there are a lot of pulses in here. First we have this dal from Vedaka, and this is urad dal, which I use in my dosa. Then I have chole from the same brand. Next I have a packet of brown rice from Kohinoor. Then I have this jaggery powder. I add jaggery to my cakes and cookies. Then I have a packet of pasta. So it's durum wheat pasta. Then I have this whole green moong, dhania seeds, a packet of tur dal for my everyday dal, 2 packets of jeera, and 1 packet of ajwain. Okay, this is leaking, so it's the Vivel body wash. There's a lot of spillage inside the carton, and you can see there's some body wash on the bottle. I have this room spray from Godrej, and this is in the variant violet. Some Chums essentials, and the last thing in this box is a Nivea deodorant for my husband. So far I'm happy with the quality of all of these groceries, but I wish this was packaged in a better way. I've also seen pump bottles leaking in the past when I ordered them on Amazon, and I hate that there's a lot of product wastage. Also, things may get a little messy. Okay, so I'm done with the first box. Let's open the second one, which is even bigger, and again we get the brown packaging material. So the first thing is this Harpic toilet cleaner. Then I have this huge pump bottle of hand sanitizer from the brand Fresh Essential. So it's in the variant lemon. This is a new brand which I hadn't tried in the past, and I like the fact that there's a lot of quantity. Also, this looks kind of nice to me. It looks exactly like aloe vera gel. Then I have a tiny sunscreen lotion from Himalaya, and this is SPF 15. So this is something which I'm going to wear in the daytime when I'm going to be at home. And now I have this huge packet of Ashirwad atta. So this is the atta which I use regularly. I have a packet of black chana from Vedaka, a packet of methi seeds, a packet of sesame seeds, and finally a packet of kalonji. Then I have this rock salt from Tata. Now this was slightly interesting for me. I never saw Tata's rock salt in the market locally, but I was very happy to see that Amazon was stocking this, so I bought it. Also, this is in powdered form, so it's easier to add to my dishes. The rock salt which I find in my local market is usually in crystal form, so I have to powder it first. And the last thing that's there is the Maggi Magic Cube Chicken Masala. So I have used Maggi Magic Masala in the past, and I really liked it. And I saw it's available in this chicken variant. I had to try it out. So that's all of the stuff which I purchased. So far I'm happy. I was able to find some new things over there which I don't usually find in the local market. And the quality of all of these products also seems nice. If I have to give it a rating, I would give it a 4 out of 5, because the body wash leaking was a bit of a bummer, but the rest of the service has been amazing. Probably next month I'm going to order again when they have this offer thing going on. Do let me know if you want me to make more such Amazon pantry hauls in the future. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.